कैप्टन अंशुमन सिंह ने असाधारण बहादुरी एवं त्याग का परिचय देते हुए देश हित में अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया। सम्मान ग्रहण करेंगी उनकी धर्मपत्नी श्रीमती स्मृति एवं माता श्रीमती मंजू सिंह।
My name is Smriti. I'm wife of Captain Anshuman Singh, the martyr, the hero. So we met on the first day of college, and I would not be dramatic, but it was love at first sight. And after a month, he got selected into AFMC. We met in an engineering college. He got selected in a medical college. So super intelligent guy. So from then on, after just 1 month of meeting, it was a long distance relationship for 8 long years. Typical Bollywood scenario. Very, very Bollywood. So it's 21st June. My birthday is on 22nd June. Right? And we are not talking because he's not wished me nice enough, or he has not given me all the plans of what he's going to do for my birthday. 21st June, I hear my phone is ringing consistently. And I'm like, okay, let it be. I'm not fighting zone. I'm not going to talk to him. After 3 hours of consistent calling, I picked up his call. It's like, what is it? What do you want? It's like, come out of the balcony, bro. I'm standing outside. I'm like, what? He's standing at the balcony? And I was like, oh my god, it's 9:30. No, you go home. He's like, okay, fine, I'll go. And my parents didn't know about that. Like, that time, my parents didn't know that we were dating. So next day, he comes home. It's like, I'm a friend. I have just come. I was just passing by, and he's flown from Pune to Gurdaspur just to wish me. And I am all over the moon. I'm like, oh my god, this is literally happening. I'm like, Papa, just get me married to him. Just let him. But he's there. Everybody's talking. It's a bit tricky situation because your parents are doing it for the first time. So he leaves, and my father's like, anything serious? I'm like, yeah, I'm planning something. If you allow, I want to marry him. Okay, nice guy, go for it. That's it. So that was pretty dramatic. But yeah. And then we were like, oh my god, it's too long. Let's get married now. So we did. And unfortunately, within 2 months of marriage, he got posted into Siachen. So we tried to figure out, okay, let's figure it out. It's just gonna be these many months. I'll do this in the meantime, you do this, and we can manage, we can cope up, and then we can live together. I mean, it's gonna be fine, you know. On 18th July, we had a long conversation about how our life is gonna be the next 50 years. He's gonna build a house, we're gonna have kids, and whatnot. 19th morning, I get up, I get a call. He's no more. What? I just called him. I just talked to him. I mean, what do you mean, what, no more? Oh, you don't mind. So for first 7-8 hours, I called everybody in the unit. My father-in-law is also an ex-army person. Spoke to him. God knows how much we tried. We were not ready to accept that anything of such sort has happened. And he was very much capable. He would tell me, I'll die with a brass in my chest. Just because I am not gonna die an ordinary death, like nobody would know. People would know. People would know you, people would know me. But 7-8 hours, it got confirmed that he's no more. Till date I'm not coping up. I'm just trying to figure out, maybe it's not true. But now that I have Kirti Chakra in my hand, maybe it's true. But it's okay. He's a hero. So we can manage a little of our lives because he's managed a lot. He's given up all his life, all his families, just to save other 3 families, his army family. I would say that I was considering myself to be the top priority, but turns out I'm just a little behind India. It's okay, I can manage it. That's it.
कैप्टन अंशुमन सिंह ऑपरेशन मेघदूत के अंतर्गत सियाचिन ग्लेशियर में चिकित्सा अधिकारी के रूप में तैनात थे। आपने 19 जुलाई 2023 को वहां स्थित चंदन ड्रॉपिंग जोन में हुई भीषण अग्नि दुर्घटना के दौरान नजदीक की फाइबर ग्लास हट में फंसे लोगों को सुरक्षित बाहर निकालने में मदद की। इसी दौरान मेडिकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन शेल्टर को आग की चपेट में आता देख वो अपने प्राणों की परवाह न करते हुए उसमें कूद पड़े ताकि जीवन रक्षक दवाइयों और उपकरणों को बचाया जा सके। तकरीबन 17,000 फीट की ऊंचाई पर चल रही तेज हवाओं के कारण आग की निरंतर बढ़ती लपटों ने पूरे शेल्टर को अपनी गिरफ्त में ले लिया और भरसक प्रयासों के बावजूद उन्हें बचाया नहीं जा सका। कैप्टन अंशुमन सिंह ने असाधारण बहादुरी एवं त्याग का परिचय देते हुए देश हित में अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया। सम्मान ग्रहण करेंगी उनकी धर्मपत्नी श्रीमती स्मृति एवं माता श्रीमती मंजू सिंह।